What are you saying? What do you want?
Meow.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Okay, see you later. What? Meow. What? What do you want? What do you want? I just walked into the bedroom to see where everybody was. Look at you. You little clown. Pumpkin. You little clown. Are you satisfied with yourself now? Pumpkin? Pumpkin. Are you satisfied with yourself? You're the dominant one, are you? You're the youngest, but you're the dominant one. You're not with Odie, though. If I told Odie to get you, he'd get you.
Get him!
Poor Muffin. Mommy woke him up. Did I wake you up? I was just coming to see where you were. In here chilling out by yourself. His tail is fluffy, but it's not as fluffy as it normally is. In the winter, it's fluffier. I guess he sheds in the summer. Gonna go back to sleep, baby? Alright, go back to sleepies. Okay, I'll leave you be. I know, I'm just a little crazy. That's Kaylee's favorite song, she said. Alright, so I'm probably going to put you guys to some YouTube friendly music, and I am going to clean everything out of these drawers and wipe the drawers down. That's my task for this evening that I'm giving myself. So I'll be back in a minute to start cleaning this all out. I might do some small decluttering while I'm at it. And I'm just going to put my music on, and I'll put you guys to regular music. Okay guys, I didn't finish recording with you guys because I didn't want my phone battery to go dead. So I do have everything cleaned out, and there are a few things that I'm going to declutter, and I'm going to tell you guys why, okay? So I'm just going to flip the camera around. Alright, so here's what I'm decluttering. First of all, this mascara, because I thought it was a brow shaper, and it's not, and I don't know how long it's been sitting there, so I don't trust that near my eyes. That's going in the garbage. This, I loved this when I got it. I loved the hot pink shade that was in the Snoopy color here, but it broke. It had a candy cane imprint on it. It really sucked. But I find the rest of them are chalky, but it's so sentimental because Snoopy's on it, so I'm going to crack the cover off it and throw the rest away. I just want to save the lid for sentimental reasons. This is still good, so I'm going to see if anybody wants it. It's separated. It needs to be shook, but it's still good. That's just like the e.l.f. I have, it's the Halo Glow. It's a decent bronzer, but I have a liquid bronzer, and I don't need more than one in my collection. And I have so many powder bronzers that I need to go through, so we're just going to get rid of that. This came in my calendar at Christmas time, and I like the color in the middle, but the other two colors I don't really wear. So, and I have a similar color to this in a Tarte palette, so I'm going to see if anybody else can get some use out of that. And then these, they're not both going. This is in my project pan right now, but I really don't like the coverage in it. So I think I'm going to pass that on. Plus it's too light for me, and I'm going to switch this one over to my project pan. I'm not really making much progress in this anyway, so I'm going to switch it out for this one because I like the coverage of this one better. So, and then I think I'm just going to stick to loose powders from now on, because when I do set with powder, it's usually a loose powder. But I'm going to use this because I tried both of them. I don't know if you guys, but this side of my skin is the e.l.f. and this side is the, I'll hold on to the both of them so I can show you guys in like an actual swatch. But this has the Infallible on this side, and this has the e.l.f. on this side. But okay, here, let's do it this way. I'll show you guys because I'm going to take it off anyway. So let's show it to you. Okay, I'm going to be right here. Alright, so, and I'm going to put them on the exact same way. I'm going to use the sponge, and I'm just going to pat it in. 1, 2, that's it. And we're just going to swipe down. See? And then you have to blend it out. And see how light it is compared to my skin tone? I could probably get it to work, but yeah, no. No, I'm going to pass that on. Somebody else might be able to use that. And then I'm trying to be as fair as I can here. So let's take the L'Oreal one. Was way more expensive too. See how light that is? I probably could blend it in, but alright, let's be fair about it. 1, 2, okay? Look at that. Like, doesn't that look better already? Like, it does. It has to be blended in, obviously. But the color matches better, I think. I like the L'Oreal one better. So, that's my reasoning. I gotta wash this off now. But I'm gonna switch this one out for this. So, yeah. See if anybody else can get use out of this one. And this one's gonna go in my everyday drawer. And when I do my project pan, rolling project pan update, I'll tell you guys about that then. But like, can you see the difference? I can. I think the L'Oreal one looks better. Mind you, they both need to be blended out, but the L'Oreal one doesn't seem like it needs as much blending. So anyway, that's my decision. I just know that the L'Oreal one works better. So, and I spent a lot more for that. That one was close to 20. Alright, I'm going to crack the lid off this, and yeah, that's that. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a little vlog of me farting around the house doing stuff that I needed to do. And take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.